They're at the post. They're off. Good start. Game On Dude and Twirling Candy from the inside. Mismatch between horses. These three are quickest. Game On Dude has a head in front. First Dude is taken back. Setsuko is close to the pace. Then comes Awesome Gem and Dark Cove. And the early trailer is stretch running Soul Candy as they move into the clubhouse turn. And Game On Dude will set the pace. He is a length and a quarter in front of Twirling Candy, who is kind today for Joel Rosario. He was easily capable of angling him to the two path for a good attacking position, and Twirling Candy seems very comfortable to the backstretch. He's learned his lessons well, and he's second by a length and a half behind the front running Game On Dude. Setsuko and the mare Mismatch are together third and fourth, and they're 2.5 off the lead. First Dude is still wrangled back by Martin Garcia. Red Cap 6 from the front. Defending champion Awesome Gem has 6.5 lengths to make up. Dark Cove is 7 off the lead, and Soul Candy will have to make up 9 lengths to win the 72nd Hollywood Gold Cup. Game On Dude and Chantal Sutherland past the half-mile pole, now only 3/4 of a length in front of Twirling Candy, who had to maintain his position as Setsuko ran up outside of him. Mismatch has tailed off a bit. She's now 4th and 4 from the front. Awesome Gem has taken 5th inside of First Dude. Then Dark Cove and Soul Candy, they round the far turn. Game On Dude is only a tenuous neck in front. Twirling Candy has done everything right to this point. He's got a final 1/4 mile to get. Setsuko is going right with him. First Dude and Awesome Gem, only 2 from the front. New leader, top of the stretch. And it's Twirling Candy. Let's see what he's got. Game On Dude comes right back at him. Game On Dude. Twirling Candy to the outside. They are throwing down final 16. Joined by First Dude to the outside. Game On Dude. First Dude. Twirling Candy. Game On Dude and First Dude. The dudes might be in a dead heat. They are inches apart at the wire in the 72nd Hollywood Gold Cup. Twirling Candy, and absolutely no excuse third.